Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's blakenolani. Today I wanted to try a pastel color wig. This is the Sister Wig FAB in the color Lavender. It has a moon part or a full circle part. I'm going to show you everything from the braid down to the unboxing, cutting the lace, and how to put this on. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe. Let's get started. I'm starting by parting my hair down the middle and sectioning it into 2 parts. Then I'm going to part my hair down the side. If you've seen my previous videos, then you know I can't braid, but y'all, I have been practicing. Now I'm going to attempt to braid this part down the side. And I'm going to repeat this same step until the entire side is finished. And I'm doing medium-sized braids, and this is 1/2 that's done. Now I'm going to mirror the side that I've already done, so I'm going to continue that part straight across and braid down the side, and I'm using a rubber band to tie the ends. And I'm just going to repeat this same step until the entire side is finished. And this is what my final braid down looks like. Now I'm going to unbox the wig, which is the fun part. And it already comes with the ponytail done in the top. And now I'm just going to remove the hairnet. And here you can see it has a moon part or the full circle part, which means that the part curves all the way around in a circle at the top and is able to go into a ponytail. And it also comes with the baby hairs over the lace. Now the color looks a little bit different depending on the lighting. It seems like the base color of the wig is silver, but it has streaks of lavender. So now I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm going to push the baby hairs back away from the lace and cut the lace along the hairline. And I'm actually cutting a little bit closer than usual to the hairline, but I'm not cutting the baby hairs off. So you want to make sure you just push the baby hairs back and then cut along the hairline. And I'm just going to do this all the way across until all of the lace is removed. Here is the lace that we've cut off, and as you can see, the baby hairs are still there and they are covering the hairline, and they can be styled however you like. Next, I'm going to put my wig cap on, and I'm going to tuck the braids in the back underneath, and I'm going to cover the anchor braids in the front. Now I'm going to try the wig on without the lace and see how I like it. So I'm just going to pull the unit forward all the way to my hairline and secure the combs underneath the wig cap and underneath the 2 braids in the front. So I like the wig, but I'm really not feeling the ponytail out of the box like this. But if I did wear it in a ponytail, it would just need a lot of work. It's really bulky in the top. So if you want to see a separate video on how to style the ponytail, let me know in the comments. My goal right now is to just wear this unit down without the ponytail. It's really bulky at the top, so I have to try to fix that. So I'm going to unravel the hair around the rubber band. And then I'm going to just take the rubber band down. And this unit has a lot of hair at the top and it's really thick and bulky. So I'm just going to try to style it the best I can for right now and use the comb just to comb down the pieces so it can lay a little bit flatter in the top. And I'm just going to use my comb to comb the hair down over the side part and over the back part. Next, I'm going to take my flat iron. It's set on about 300 degrees and I'm just going to get rid of the bulkiness around the part, and this will help the unit lay flatter. And it's already looking a little bit flatter. Next, I'm going to take my Lotta Body edge control and apply it to the baby hairs, and I'll link the edge control below. And then finally, I'm going to tie it down for about 10 minutes to set everything in place. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. You can find me on all social media at blakenolani. I'll catch you all in my next video. Take care.